Hello folks, good evening time. We've got a Galaxy 98 VHP. We got this radio in, the amplifier was fried in it, bad. Had two finals blow regulator, big one, blow small regulator. It'd been World War III. What we did is we fixed the radio all up. We built a little 4-pill 1446 box in the bottom of it. And then special, just a little custom 1446 to get it all back working like it ought to be. Get him up and going. Says he's going to drive a 10-pill in. Look at a 5-watt in reverse. Zero. Look at our 500-watt slug right here. We're reading that middle scale. 1, 2, get on down. He's doing our little hunter bird. Go down here at the peak kit. 500 watt. She's doing about 300 peak. We're gonna check the 1,000-watt slug just to double check. She's doing about 280 on that one, about 300 on that one. Get on down. Oh, right meter's always a little bit tighter. But there she is. Got her up and going. Like I said, I did this for kind of a favor. This is not something that I'm looking to do. I, matter of fact, don't even want to work on radios. This is a good customer, good amp customer, so I did it to help him out. 1, 2, worldwide. Get on down. Working my 98 VHP for 1446 HGs. Well, just like I said, this was a kind of a favor job. Not something I want to do. I spent 2 or 3 days on it. I could have built a 2x8 or whatever. 300 PP, get on down. Alright folks, I sure appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go for an 10 0 on AV. Catch you later.